Hello students, this is Manikanta. In this class we will discuss about 10th class mathematics chapter number 2 sets. Today topic is Venn diagrams. Before going to explain the Venn diagram, I will explain this topic. Representation of union set and subset. Observe the first diagram. Here two sets A comma B. Set A, the elements of the set A, X belongs to students of class 5A and X belongs to students of class 5B. So we already know universal set represented with mu. Here the universal set is class 5. Okay, it consists both 5A comma 5B. So here the elements of the set A is presented in universal set, and also the elements of the set B is also presented in universal set. So we can represent it as A is subset of mu and also B is subset of mu. Next, moving to the second one. Natural number set, whole number set, rational number set. Natural numbers, we already know natural numbers are started with 1, 1 comma 2 comma 3 and so on. Whole number starts with 0, 0 comma 1 comma 2 and so on. So okay, here observe that all the elements of the natural number set is placed in whole number, because whole numbers having 1 comma 2 comma 3 and so on, but whole numbers additionally having 0. Okay, all the natural numbers are whole numbers and all the whole numbers are rational numbers. So we can represent it as n is subset of whole numbers. Natural number set is subset of whole numbers. At the same time, whole number set is subset of rational number set. Okay, we can represent it as n is subset of w and w is subset of r. So with the help of these two statements, n is subset of also r, because of n elements is also present in whole number. So whole numbers is also present in rational number. So we can say that n is subset of r. Okay. Venn diagrams. Venn Euler diagram. Simply it called as Venn diagram. So Venn diagram, it is a way of representing the relationship between sets. Observe the first diagram. Here the universal set equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma and so on 10. Universal set having the elements 1 comma 2 comma 3 and so on 10. And here one set is in there, that is A. The A set elements is 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 and 10. Observe this one. Observe the elements of the A set. Students, first observe that one thing. When you representing the elements on Venn diagram, you can put the dot symbol before the element. You can put the dot symbol before the element. All the elements of the A, 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 and 10 are presented in mu set. So we can represent it as A subset of mu. And also we already know one thing, that is every set is subset of itself. So A is subset of A. Now moving to the next one. Here the universal set equal to mu having the elements 1 comma 2 comma 3 and so on 10. Observe the diagram. Here two sets, one is A, another one is B. The set A consists the elements 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10, and B having two elements, that is 4 comma 6. Here observe all the elements of the B set. All the elements of the B set are present in A. All the elements of the B sets are present in A. And also all the elements of the A are presented in mu. That means universal set. So we can represent it as all the elements of the B set presented in A. So we can say that B is subset of A. And all the elements of the A present in mu, so A is subset of mu. and also all the elements of the B presented in mu also. So we can say that B is also subset of mu. We already know every set is subset of itself, so we can say that A is subset of A, B is subset of B, and remaining also same. Okay, next, union of sets. Here two sets, one is A, B. A set having the elements 2, 5, 6, 8. So cardinal numbers of the set A equal to 4, and cardinal number of the set B equal to, the elements are 5, 7, 9, 1. Cardinal numbers of the set B equal to 4. Union set of A, B. Here K is the union set of A and B. The union of the A and B is a set which consists the all elements of A and B. Here common elements being taken only once. So you can written it as A union B. So okay, K is representing the union set. So A union B. Here A set equal to 2, 5, 6, 8, and B set equal to 5, 7, 9, 1. Representing with this diagram, A set having 2, 6, 5, 8, and B also having 5 and 7, 9, 1. So union means all the elements. Union means all the elements, but we don't take repeating elements. Okay, so we can represent it as A union B equal to, here first element equal to 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, observe the element of the both sets. Here 5 comes 2 times, but we can take only 1 time. Okay, okay, intersection of the sets. Suppose here having two sets, set A having some elements and set B having also some elements. Sometimes A and B also having same elements, that is common elements. So the representation of the common elements is here. Like A also having some elements, B also having some elements. Sometimes both are having same elements, that is representation here. So we can represent it as intersection symbol, like here, intersection, and we can write as A intersection B. So here our question equal to A equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. The elements of A equal to 5 to 8, and the elements of the B set is 7 to 11. Observe the both sets. Here A, B also having same elements 7, 8. So the element, so the A intersection B equal to 7, 8. This is the answer. The Venn diagram representation is here. Okay. If the set A having 7, 8 and the set B also having 7, 8 elements, so the common elements of the both sets are equal to the intersection of the set.